So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Axie Infinity crypto here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom and press the explore icon or the magnifying glass. Then once you're here at the top, search by name or symbol, start typing in Axie Infinity, so AXIE. Ticker symbol AXS will also work. Select it and then press buy. On this page right here, you can type in how much of Axie Infinity you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $3 worth, you could type in 3 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much of Axie Infinity that you're actually buying, the total fees, the total cost, etc. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Axie Infinity here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.